Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can buy Ripple or XRP on the Coinbase Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you will be able to follow easily. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to open up the application. It's the wallet application right here, which is basically the Coinbase Wallet. And once inside, it will then take us to this page right here where we have to go ahead and verify our account or claim our username. Now once inside your account, you have to make sure that you have a balance on your account, and to proceed you can just go ahead and click on this button in the middle of the screen right here. And once inside, you want to click on this button. Now from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and search up XRP or Ripple, and you'll be able to see Ripple or XRP in the crypto section right here. But unfortunately, the servers of the Trust Wallet is not working right now, so I could not go ahead and navigate through the search icon right here. But all you have to do is to go ahead and search up XRP and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.